welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. Today's video is going to be a really exciting one. I am going to do a 100 rupee challenge and I'm going to create this makeup look here which is more on a pinky side. So if you want to see what products I use and how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so starting with the moisturized face, I'm moving towards primer. For today, I'll be using this lac-to calamine lotion as my primer. This has all the primer properties and some other skin benefits too. So if you want me to recreate one video separately for lac-to calamine, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll love to make that. Using this as a primer, I'll move towards my foundation. Today for my foundation, I'll be using this Olivia Foundation, which is for just 100 rupees. I'll be taking this on the back of my hand first and then spreading it all around my face and blending it properly with the help of a brush. Guys, this gives almost a full coverage look. So if you don't want to spend much money on having a full coverage foundation, you can of course go ahead and stick to this. Once I am done with blending all the foundation into my skin, I will be moving towards setting my foundation. For that, today I'll be using this compact powder from Blue Heavens and this is for just ₹60. Now guys, in case you're wondering from where I bought these products, I got all the products except the foundation from my local market. So I think that getting products from local market are much easier if you want to get like products under 100 rupees. So once I have blended everything and set my foundation, I am moving towards setting my brows. For this, I'll be using this Aries brow pencil, which is in the color black. I couldn't find anything in brown, so I stick to this black one. This is a really intense black Aries brow pencil, so I'll be using very gentle vertical and horizontal strokes. Once I'll be done with this, I'll move towards eyeshadows. And guys, I got this Miss Rose eyeshadow palette for just ₹50 and the pigmentation and the texture is awesome. I'm going to take this pink color, which is more on a shimmery side. With the help of a brush, I'm going to put this all around on my lid. I am in love with this palette. I don't know why. Probably the texture is really good and it is kind of buttery texture. Once I'm done, I'm going to use this Makeover pencil. This is eyeliner pencil, which can be used as a kajal as well. So I'll be taking this. This is for just ₹40, guys. I'm going to use this as my liner and going to put this as a kajal as well. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to do some highlighting. So I'll be taking the silver shade, or you can say the whitey creamy shade, as an highlighter. I'll be putting this on the highest points of my face, like my brow, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, wherever we do usually. Finishing my eyes with this Blue Heaven mascara, which I found does nothing to my eyes but just giving some color to my lashes. That's it. It doesn't have any volume, doesn't give any length. For just ₹60, I got this mascara. So moving towards my lips, I'm lining my lips first with True Lips lip liner. This is for just ₹20. I have a pack of 12, but even if you get this from market, you get this for 20. Then I am filling my lips with Elle lipstick in the color Rose Day and using the same as a blush as well. So that is it. This is how the whole look turned out. I couldn't find any contour powder. I could have done with the lipstick, but I thought to skip it up. So yeah, this is how the look done in just ₹100 products. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like my effort of taking this challenge. What other challenges you want me to recreate for you, do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also like my video. Do let me know in the comment section below whether you like this video or not. I shall meet you in my next one. Till then, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye.